Today is day 2 for Banana in our house. He's basically not eating unless I hand feed him. I'm just soaking some seeds with cornflakes and some vegetables, steamed vegetables, and kind of meshing them and spoon feeding him. He looks content on me. He's quiet. He's settling down well. I was told he was 3 months, but it seems that he's probably around 2 months, definitely not 3, because he sometimes makes baby noises and he's tiny. He's not so good at flying. He's a bit clumsy and super cute. As you can see, his beak seems very soft and immature. His nails are see-through and he's tiny basically. He just had his food and he's just relaxing on me, which is a great progress for day 2. So this is the daily update for baby Banana settling in our house.